Alright, so we're back from Harbor Freight, and I'll show you the tools that I picked up. I went there with my loving wife. She stays here for a while, then she goes next door to Job Lot or some store like that. Alright, here's what we got. Here's the first thing. That's the first thing we got. I'm going to take off my gloves here. It's kind of hard picking up the stuff. My gloves up here. It's cold here today. And one of the things we got was these microfibers. Get the microfibers, which are really nice for cleaning up the house and the area down the workshop and so forth. And naturally, they always give you the magazines. I had to get those magazines and so forth. Now we stick those in your bag. And then what I got was some gloves. These are nice. Around the shop, there's 100 of them. 100 pair of the gloves, and those are nice. And I always wanted these. These are a combo set of colored ratchet. I'll read it here. Pittsburgh 6-piece colored combo wrench set. And there's a ratchet style. This way it doesn't say ratchet up there, but it does say smooth ratchet action, choke point ratchet and box end. I always wanted to get these from 5/16 to 5/8, and these were 1998 or something like that. And then so some of the prices on this stuff here that I was showing you earlier, these here are $9.98. The open end, and then the ratchet, the 5/8. There was the color scheme on them. That's the 5/8, and then the smallest one is the 5/16. As you can see, and they go up in size. There's 6 different sizes. The colors denote the sizes. This is 9/16. Right. Pittsburgh. They seem to be made pretty well. I've been wanting to get these ratchets because a lot of times the ratchet itself with the socket on it won't fit in to the locations I'm getting at. And I'm pretty sure these will be pretty handy. I've been wanting to get something like this for a while, particularly the color. The different colored ones here. It's a 7/16, which was a very popular size, as well as the 9/16. Depending if you're taking off or putting on, the ratchet and how it works. Yeah, so they seem to be pretty well built. These were 1998 for 6 of them. I think that's pretty good. Like I say, this was free. Holy crap, was free. These were $6. Lately been moving water, dirty water and so forth, and had a lot of WD-40 spraying on my furnace, fixing that and working on some of the stuff that has rust and so forth. It's nice having these kind of gloves. 5 mil, there's 100 pairs of gloves in here, and that was $6. So that's not too bad from a price for 100 pairs of the gloves. Some of the other stuff, I don't have that receipt on it for it, but it was a good day shopping, and I say, I'll show the food we went for after we got some Chinese food after the old Harbor Freight haul. And like I say, I know these will come in handy. I use them quite a bit, and I like the ratcheting on them. I use box end and open end quite a bit. And I will be using these. And I hope they stand up to what they look like. This is 1/2 inch, like I say, another popular one that's used quite a bit. So, that's the set. 1998. And that's some of the stuff I got. So, there you go. Scissors. I always wanted a pair of utility scissors, and that's what these are, multi-purpose scissors. I got those. Nice to have. And I'll say a little story about this. When you see the beginning of this video, you see the storefront, and they have boxes in there from $1 up to, I think, $4.99 or something. This wasn't in the dollar box, but the same thing was in the dollar box for $1. These multi-purpose scissors were in there for $1. Then we went in the store and walked around and had that same multi-purpose scissors on the rack for 79 cents. 79 cents. And then also we had free coupons, and that's how I got, this is the free gift. This is the free gift that I got today, because they had this in the free coupon. So this was free. You could get it free with the coupon, or you pay 79 cents inside the store, or $1 outside on the yard sale, the front yard sale, or whatever they call it, but you'll see at the beginning of this video. Well, let me get my beer over here. What we got today? Goose IPA. All right. I got a opener that I got picked up today. At the job lot where my wife goes. Look at that. A mug of beer with a stopper for that after you open it up. Some mug of beer. So I'll be opening this up, and I'll be having this here. Guess it's gonna take 2 hands to get this off. I got it off. Okay. All right. Goose Island IPA. Yeah, I'm in the mood for an IPA. At the end of this video, you'll see the Chinese food that we picked up to have. We stopped on the way home. Cheers. Oh, that's hoppy. That's an IPA for sure. Let's see if we can see any numbers on it. Bold hop finish. Here we go. 5.9 ABV with a 55 international bitter unit. Huh. So that's good. I won't be staying out here drinking that. I don't know, sit here. But it's cold today. Not snowing, so that's one good thing. But anyways, I got the opportunity. It's got a magnet on it to put this in the bottle, stop it. So with that said, folks, have a good day. Enjoy the day. Just go to Harbor Freight or any tool store. Enjoy the tools and put them online so we can see what you bought, guys or gals. And I know a lady on there has a lot of good videos, and she does some Harbor Freight Lee, and she has a good channel. And I'm doing shout outs, so I'll do Backwards Billy. Go to his channel, he does beer reviews, Backwards Billy. Jerry Ford, the beer review guy, and a lot of the tool guys, Zippervago, Ronald Terrio, Rob's Garage. Go to these places. Rob's Wrenches too. Alright, that said, enjoy the day, folks. If you're gonna drink, don't drive. Ciao.